How about some organic whole green beans? So I got my green beans frozen in a bag at Costco. The only ingredient listed, one ingredient, organic whole green beans. So watch out for that. Don't get other stuff thrown in there because we want to keep it medicinal and healthy. It's plant-based whole food cooking. So this is pretty much a side dish, or it can be a main dish. Serve it with anything. It's so good. You hear green beans, but no, maybe you haven't had this version. So I've already got them in the saucepan. You can see them going. So here's what I have done so far. So far, all I've done is I've taken some coconut oil, like so. Just put a little bit of a smear on it on the very bottom of the pan. I put this on a low heat. And this is gonna, from frozen, this will take about 10, maybe 15 minutes on a low heat until it's to the texture and the consistency that I personally like it. You can use your own judgment on that. You can also saute it too for like maybe 5 or 6 minutes. That is totally up to you. So that's all I got in there so far. It's just the whole organic green beans and some coconut oil on the bottom of the pan. The seasonings I will use after I turn the heat source off to keep it as medicinal as possible is going to be black pepper, organic, fresh thyme, organic. I'm also going to use a little bit of ginger powder, of course, organic. Because I like a little bit of spice with my food, I also use cayenne pepper, so that's completely optional. And last but not least, this part actually is pretty important, for me anyway. You can decide for yourself. But slivered almonds. Slivered almonds go so good with green beans. And I keep it raw. So I add all this stuff after I turn the heat source off. It's pretty good. It's like surprisingly, amazingly delicious for, just what's for dinner? Green beans. Oh boy, no, these green beans are oh boy. I might as well just call them the oh boy green beans. Lame. So that's it. One of the simplest plant-based whole food cooking videos I've ever made. Medicinal, pretty inexpensive. You can whip it up in no time. This is my second day in a row making this because it's so good. I don't really get sick of it. So TomBurkenmeyer.com is my website. I've got 160 something episodes so far of all plant-based whole food medicinal cooking videos. So check that out, TomBurkenmeyer.com. It's all linked from there. A recipe blog, my YouTube channel is linked from there. And if the organic stuff costs a nickel more, $1 more than the non-organic, think of it this way. You can pay the farmers, or maybe the hospitals down the road. Pay the farmers. Support farmers doing good organic work. And also you'll feel better for it too, especially as you get older. Kind of a fountain of youth regimen, a contributor towards it. So feel free to share this. Everybody can use some more green beans in their diet, especially when it tastes like this, and there's so much medicinal value in it with that blend of herbs and spices. And I don't measure those things. I just go strictly by taste, so you don't need to measure it either, just all by taste. And if you want to put a ton in there of those different herbs and spices, go for it. The more health benefits and the more flavor party in your mouth too. So it's all good. Okay? Mwah. Bye for now.